Hello kids, let's identify the colors. So, where is orange color? Can you identify where is orange color? So, here we have orange color. This is orange. Can you tell me where is yellow color? Yellow. So, yellow this one and this one. Yellow banana and yellow lemon. Can you tell me where is red color? So here we have red color. Can you tell me this? Where is green color? So many green colors. These are dark green and these are light green. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. In next video we'll learn more about fruits and vegetables.